Close enough. Not if you're sounding it out.